Hey guys, well, those stupid shorts, I tell you. Oh, they always take long. They aren't long enough, that's for sure. Anyways, yeah, I don't know, pretty overcast skies in western New York here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see the eclipse today or not. No idea. Well, anyways, let me show you what I got going on in our bank here. Oh, let me tell you, it was dusty. It was pretty bad. Go up these freaking awful stairs here. Oh my God. That'll kill you. Get old, I'll tell you that. Oh, all right. I gotta clean out this room now, and I got to rip all these floorboards up. The other day, I got all that crap out of here. I don't know what they use for fireproofing. It must have been the old days there. They must have used maybe lath or mace or mortar mix. I'm not sure. I think it's pretty lath, but I got it all out. 11 o'clock today, we're gonna have the boom truck come in with some 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood. So hopefully the boom will reach, 70 feet up. And we'll see what happens. But yeah, I don't know about the eclipse. No idea what's going to go on with that. But yeah, but anyways, hope you guys get to see it. Life in a once in a lifetime thing, I guess, right? I won't see it again, that's for sure. All right, guys. Well, I'll give you an update when the boom truck gets here. Hopefully it shows up today. Alrighty, I'll see you guys later. Bye.